Hey guys, welcome to Geek Sense. This video is about JP Morgan interview process 2021. So let's start. As a part of this video, I will be covering topics like different interview rounds which I have faced for the position I have applied for, compensation, offer letter, and different others. Okay, so let's start with interview process. Almost every time interview starts with technical round only. You can expect at least 2 to 4 rounds of technical interview. Again, it depends upon for which position you have applied for. For like software engineer, you can expect 2 rounds, 2 rounds of technical interview, whereas for senior software engineer and again for TL, it can vary from 3 to 4. Again, it depends upon the situation, how your round went and how you performed in the interview. Okay, all this technical round will be more on software skill. Like in my case, they ask questions related to Java, Spring, Hibernate, and SQL. So more kind of subjective questions. They will go little depth on this technical round for your subjective knowledge, for your key skill set, what you have mentioned in your resume. So they will go through properly of your uh, technical skills. Once you are through with technical round, then JPMC will send one link to your personal email ID for online coding test. So this coding test is not that hard. What I felt, this is again my opinion. I did not felt that much hard questions, but there are some tricks like the platform which they have provided has restrictions like you when you copy paste, the manager can see what you are performing in the platform provided, like how much character you are typing, how much words you are copying and pasting from somewhere else. So these all things he can see. Second thing, like in my case, they restricted the JVM to 1.3 version. So in that case, I cannot use APIs which came later to 1.3. So that is one kind of restriction. So these kinds of different restrictions they will be having during the time of your coding, and time limitation will be more than enough to code. So it's not that hard, but they want to test whether you can able to perform coding or not. So that's what I felt. Once you are through with online coding, then manager how the round will happen. That's formal round, just a formal discussion, and he will be uh, explaining you what you did in your online coding test. So that's what I gave feedback from manager, and that's how it will go. Once all these rounds are over, then HR discussion will happen. HR discussion is purely dependent on your technical round, how well you have performed in your technical round. In that case, if you have performed well in your technical round, then in that case, you can discuss or negotiate more on salary part with HR, what I have felt. Because I have cleared 3 times, and in one time I felt like I was not that I did not perform that well in the technical. So did not entertain and she did not offer me what I was expecting. But if your technical round is good, then your manager will help you to get up to certain extent what you are expecting. So that's about the interview process. Now let's move to what are the position I have applied for. I'm a Java developer, so I definitely applied for a Java developer, but the position was senior software engineer and TL team lead. So that was the about position. Now let's move to compensation part. Compensation part again. It depends upon how you have performed well in your technical round. If you have performed well, then compensation you can little bit negotiate. If you hold any offer, that is also one of the beneficiary. You can expect, or you can expect little bit more from that. So definitely you can ask to HR or your manager, because manager will always be in touch with you. What has happened with me? Always, all the manager has called me, asked me the reason behind not joining JPMC. So they, and I have offered somewhere around 3x to 5x of the experience what I was holding. So you can get good offer from JPMC. Once you are through with all this round, then offer letter is released after a week only. They take little time to release the offer. It's not very fast in JPMC, but I'm not sure after what they have, because last time when I spoke to HR, they told we are fast forwarding the process, and maybe in the future we can able to release the offer letter early. But I have felt like it always takes a week or a month time to release the offer. I hope this video can help some of you in preparing your interview in JPMC. Let me know if you have any query in comments. I will try to help as much as I can. Thank you guys, and best of luck for your future.